Hi everybody, it's Behnam Rat here, founder of Wincc Flexible Mastery. This is an overview for Module 6 from Wincc Flexible Mastery online course. Module 6 is about alarms. In this module, you're going to learn how to create alarms and warnings, whether it's digital or analog alarms, how to configure the messages, how to set up the alarm classes, and how to log alarms and display alarms. So in video number 1, we're going to set up an alarm screen, which we're going to talk about pending alarms and acknowledge alarms. So you're going to learn how to create alarm classes over there. Then we're going to start creating a DB back in our PLC program. We're going to add all the alarm bits to the PLC program, so later on we can turn the bits on from the PLC and see the alarms on the screen. Then we're going to go and add warnings and alarms to our Wincc Flexible project. After that, as you can see, we're going to test our alarms, creating alarms. You can see that we have different colors. The warnings are in yellow and alarms are coming in red. We're going to talk about what are the coming alarms, what is CA, which is coming alarms, and acknowledge how the whole thing is going to work. There are two other types of alarm screens that we have, simple view screen and one-line alarm screen. We're going to talk about how you can set up those alarm screens and what are the use and benefits of using those. Then we're going to talk about how to filter your alarms, which I use this option for searching through my alarms, especially if I have logged lots of alarms. I can go and punch in the name or the number of the alarms and later search actually through all the alarms which has happened in the past 24 or 48 hours. In video number 2, we're going to add 2 alarm and warnings on the bottom corner of the screen. So if any alarms is coming up or any warnings, you can see that the color is changing, alarms for red and warning for yellow, because that will be on the template. So if you are on any screen and any alarms comes up, you can see that there is an alarm or if there is a warning happening. So you can click and go to your alarm screen and check the alarm is happening and the warning. Then we're going to move on with the alarm events. We're going to teach you how to create alarm events and what are the alarm events, what's the use of that, how it's happening, how you can analyze the alarm events when it's happening, because through alarm events, whatever happens to alarm, you will see it on the screen, whether it's coming, it's acknowledged, it's going, and it's actually done and it's not activated anymore. After that, we're going to have an example of an analog alarm that you can see if your value is out of the limit, you're going to have the alarm coming up, and if the value is in the limit, then the alarm will be deactivated, and then you have to go and acknowledge the alarms. I'm not personally that much fan of using analog alarms. I prefer to combine that with the digital alarms, because it gives me more options and more flexibility to deal with the alarm. On the next video, we're going to talk about how to log an alarm. So we're going to go through all the options we have for logging alarms on the screen. We're going to try all 4 options that we have, and you're going to see how you can actually store the alarms, where you can store the alarms, and then we go and create a screen for just displaying the logged alarm on the screen. In next video, we're going to talk about alarm window. What is the difference between alarm window and alarm screen, where you can have the alarm window. The good thing about alarm window is that, as you can see, if any alarm comes up, I go there, I click, and I will have my alarm window. Instead of me going back, find the screen which I have my alarm screen on it, I simply go there, click, I will have my alarm window coming up, and when I'm done with my alarms, I acknowledge them, I check them out, then I can go click again, and the alarm window will be gone. In the next video, we're going to talk about system alarms, how you can set up system alarms which are coming from your PLC. So basically, all the text and all the messages are coming from PLC. You don't have to set up anything. These are all the messages coming from your PLC S7. We're going to teach you how to set that one up. That was an overview for Module 6 alarms from Wincc Flexible Online Mastery course.